Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Longwood, local and long distance movers near me. Relocation of 50 miles and above is a long distance relocation, and it can fall within the state or outside of it. With us, you don't have to worry about the move. Your move will be flawless. We're also very affordable, the cheapest and most quality service you will find. We boast an excellent working relationship with the state and federal authorities in charge of relocations. And this relationship provides our clients and their belongings with the protection that they deserve. Also, our insurance policies safeguard our customers' interests from liabilities during and after the move. Our charges are reasonable. Our local moving services are at a rate of $30 to $40 per hour. This affordability sets us apart from other firms in the area. You can ask for proof of our services from other previous customers. Our moves are licensed and they are also insured. We ensure that the move is smooth and flawless. Sometimes we help to map out a moving strategy for our clients. All of our clients enjoy quality customer service since we put them first and make them comfortable. If you want advice on any part of the relocation process, you only need to contact us and we will answer. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Longwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.